皆さんこんにちは、石川恵理香です。デジタル戦略 365days、本日は最終日となるんですけれども、マレーシアの、エネルギー会社にお勤めのシレンさん、データサイエンティストの方ですね、この方に、お話をお伺いしていければと考えております。それではご覧ください。So this digital business, do you think it's going to continue to grow in the next 3 years? What do you foresee? What do you envision that your company is going to achieve?
Okay, when I came this company on 2019, everything was manual, very manual and very traditional.
Okay.
But after we have done all the real-time reporting, which take about few seconds or few minutes for them to have a full report in their hand, they started to see the importance of data science and they start to realize it. Then they start to now form a team of data team, whereby they're going to recruit data engineer, data science specialist, form a data team. And now they also already started to digitalizations. The digitalization process in this company, whereby they now enhance their SAP, transform it into Ariba so that everything is automated. The procurement, the procure process is also being automated. No more Excel, everything in SharePoint list. So I think they are getting to know that actually data science help them to save a lot. At the same time, they realize that data science actually make their life easy by providing numbers for them to have informed decisions.
Right.
Take a business crucial decision. Actually, it can be seen clearly as well when this pandemic happened. During this pandemic, we have our purchase order from different country. Okay, so we have used data science to detect which country from WHO data, which country has the worst or have the or badly affected by COVID-19. So from there, we associate with our PO, purchase order. So we see whether our products whether our purchase order is from that country. If it's from that country, that means we need to transfer our order to another country which is not affected, because if your product is in the country affected, the country will close border, the product won't come in, you cannot continue your project. So from here they get into realization whereby data science is very important for them. It solves a lot of problems. So yeah, in future, in 3 years time, I think that in Malaysia, take it in Malaysia, we going to be the company. I mean, all the company going to fully utilize data science, because I can see that nowadays the data science career is booming around.
Sure.
If you see if you find JobStreet or Indeed.com in Malaysia, there is always a company, even a startup company, finding for data science or data scientists to solve their problems in their company. So they need someone to play around with the data to get facts and figures for them to do business decisions. Because like McKinsey, I think McKinsey have come up with a statistics or with a statement whereby they say that company who use data to do to take decision, it's less, so it's more likely to produce 4-time profit compared to company which is doing data.
Yeah.
which don't use data to do business decision. So yeah, I think it definitely going to be big, because since everything is going to digitalize, by even this pandemic has forced all the company to use online, to use computer system, and even our meeting is in Teams, in Google, in Zoom. So yeah, definitely they need someone in IT, someone in information technology, which is good enough with data to play around with it. They need data science.
Well, thank you so much. That's an excellent view for the future. And thank you so much for your time. Unfortunately, time is running out, so our interview is ending.
Yeah, thank you to you too. It's just really great to exchange idea with you guys. It's very healthy, and what I realized that when you share knowledge, you can grow faster, and
Right.
the knowledge become more bigger rather than you yourself finding alone.
Yeah, let's do some business, in the future together.
Yeah, sure. We can collaborate a project so
Yeah.
that produce a solution for any unsolved problems.
And we can grow together and prosper together.
Yeah, of course. By all means.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, Erika. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meeting you.
Thank you.
Thank you.